In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Squarespace. Easy 2025 guide. We'll set up a simple, effective email signup using Squarespace's promotional pop-up so you can start capturing subscribers on your site right away. Open your web browser and head to Squarespace. On the landing page, click Log In, then sign in with your account. After you're in, choose the website where you want to collect newsletter signups so you're working in the right site. From your site dashboard, open the website section to view the main editing sidebar. Next, go to Pages to access your site's structure and tools. In the sidebar, look for Marketing Tools and open it. This is the hub for features that help grow your audience and track engagement. Select Promotional Pop-up. This overlay is the fastest way to invite visitors to join your list. Turn on the Display Pop-up switch to enable it. Turning it on activates the pop-up across your site, but we still need to define what happens when someone interacts with it. Click Action to set the pop-up's behavior. If a prompt appears asking you to leave the current panel, click Leave. You're simply moving to the action settings and your work remains intact. In the action options, choose Sign Up for a Newsletter. This tells Squarespace to display an email form within the pop-up and automatically add new subscribers to your mailing list. When that's selected, click Save. Saving locks in the pop-up and ensures the newsletter sign-up action is live on your site. To make this even more effective, keep your headline clear and benefit-driven so visitors instantly know what they'll get, whether that's updates, exclusive content, or special offers. Keep the copy short and friendly, and make your call to action simple, like join the newsletter or get updates. From the same pop-up settings, you can later tailor the design to match your brand, colors, imagery, and layout without changing the action you just set. You can also adjust display rules so the pop-up appears at the right time and not too often, striking a good balance between visibility and user experience. If your plan includes email campaigns, you can connect this sign up to a specific list or segment later on, and set up a welcome email to greet new subscribers. Also, make sure your sign up respects privacy laws in your region by being transparent about what people are opting into. And that's it.